students, at first take my salam, everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Abdul Motin Mia, assistant teacher of Jodhpur Government Girls High School. I hope you are practicing more and more, staying at home English grammar, simple complex compound. Today we are going to discuss transformation of sentences, class 9-10, subject English second paper, topic transformation of sentences, simple, complex and compound. Look at short video.
মনেরি রঙে রাঙ্গাবো বনেও ঘুম ভাঙ্গাবো মনেরি রঙে রাঙ্গাবো বনের ঘুম ভাঙ্গাবো সাগর পাহাড় সবাই যে কইবে কথা মনেরি রঙে রাঙাবো বনের ঘুম ভাঙাবো।
Okay, my dear students, after watching the video, we can make the sentences. Say, when we are hearing the song, we are feeling happy. This is complex sentence. Okay? Now make it compound. We are hearing the song and we are feeling happy. We know that instead of when or while, and to make the complex compound sentence, we have to take and. Next, at this situation, we are making the simple sentence. That means, to make the simple sentence, hearing the song, we are feeling happy. We know that to make the simple sentence, only one subject and only one finite verb. Okay. At the time of hearing the song, we are feeling happy. Okay. This part, instead of this part, or at the time of hearing the song, we are feeling happy. Okay. We can make three sentences: complex, compound and simple. Okay. We are learning easily, so at first I have to take complex and then compound and then simple. Okay. After learning the session, or you will be able to know simple, complex, compound, and number B, to transform simple, complex, compound. Okay. So it's very important for you. Question number 6 for the SSC examination. Okay. So your minds set up easily, then it is half done. Okay. So you have to remember the rules of transformation of sentences, especially simple, complex, compound. Look at the short video and then we can transform simple, complex, compound. Okay.
I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need
Schoolwork and extra activities are demanding. He's also demanding of himself. He's in bed by 8 every night and gets up at 2 in the morning.
If I have a lot of homework, I schedule it so that the next morning.
He says analyzing military movements are way more fun than video games.
You have to come up with a strategy. You have to send out orders to the people in your division.
Ronak also studies martial arts and has a first-degree black belt in karate. He's also part of a school service project called Gardening for Social Change.
This is some red oak leaf lettuce and another kale plant in the back.
Okay, my dear students, Now we are going to practice complex sentence. A man who is smart can do everything. Okay. So we can say a man who, this is a relative pronoun, and we know that this is a subordinating conjunction and this is a subordinate clause. And to make the simple sentence, a man who is smart, we can say a smart man can. A smart man. Okay. A smart man can do everything. We know that before who, a man, this is a noun and this is an adjective. This is an adjective and this is a noun. And to make the simple form, a smart man. That means adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun to make the simple form. Okay. Adjective এবং noun মিলে আমরা এই জিনিসটাকে শর্ট ফর্মে পরিণত করে সিম্পলে পরিণত করতে পারি। ওকে, সো to make the compound sentence, this is a smart man and can do everything. We have to take with and, connected by and. Okay.
Oh, it's gone through. Might have got a hand to it, but may not be enough. Good spanking off drive. Doesn't matter if it's in the air because he's hit it in the gap.
One bounce over the boundary rope. That's for Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. We have to read bit into this first match is the way the three seamers for India bowled. Finger goes up, signals the end of the match and confirms a superb win for Bangladesh. The crowd on their feet and what a performance it's been. They got 307 runs. The captain, yeah, that's something we've seen before as well. Generally he actually lands upon the ground. This time was able to keep his balance. And the youngster,
After watching the video, they play well in order to win the match. Okay, in order to. This is a phrase, not to, but only to we can use. Okay, in order to or to. In order to is a phrase and only to preposition. So to make the complex sentence, they play well in order that. In order that. In order to or to instead of that and in order that or so that. So that. Okay. আমরা দুই ভাবেই বলতে পারি, সিম্পল দুই ভাবে বলতে পারি, এখানে কমপ্লেক্স দুই ভাবে বলতে পারি। ওকে, in order to, in order that they can win the match. Okay, it's very simple, no problem, don't worry. Number compound sentence, to make the compound sentence, they play well and so, or and so it will be better, or and they can win the match. Okay, আমরা জানি যে কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সের বেলায় শুরুতে যে কাজটা আগে হয়েছিল সেটা আগে দিতে হবে, তারপর পরের অংশটা দিতে হবে। রিমেম্বার দ্যাট, স্পেশালি টু মেক সিম্পল কমপ্লেক্স কম্পাউন্ড। ওকে, সো ইট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর ইউ। ওকে মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, another example. Simple, Neela studied hard to make a good result, or in order to. Okay, and to make the compound sentence, Neela studied hard and so she made a good result. Okay, previous example, following the previous example, we can say same rule. Okay, next, to make the complex sentence, Neela studied hard so that so that she could make a good result. This is the past form, so it will be past form. Okay, so to make easy or to make an excellent sentence, she could make a good result. My dear students, now watch the another video or image, okay, and to make the or to transform the sentences. When it is spring, that is when, so the cuckoo sings. We can say it is complex sentence because when, connected by when, subordinating conjunction. To make the compound sentence with and, we know that it is spring and the cuckoo এবং ঋতুটাকে আগে দিয়ে তারপর ইনফরমেশনটা পরে দিব, যে মেসেজটা থাকবে সেই মেসেজটা আমরা পরে লিখব। To make that simple sentence, in spring the cuckoo sings. আমরা জানি এটা শর্ট করতে হবে in spring, সিজনের আগে ইন বসে, so in spring or in the spring season or in the winter season. যদি সিজন শব্দটা থাকে তখন আমরা দা বসাবো তার আগে, তবে in spring the cuckoo sings. After practicing some sentences, and now today's homework is to transform 10 sentences from the following sentences. Following the structures or following the rules, you can do easily. So today is no more. Thank you very much. Thank you. You will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah during coronavirus.